Hi everyone. I wanted to reflect for just a minute on our first discussion, which was the lifeline discussion. Thank you very much for sharing all that interesting information and stories about your own lives, the people in your lives, and your hopes and dreams for the future. Important also to note that we broke it down into certain age groupings and they have names. And these different age groupings, for instance, early childhood, middle childhood, adolescence, emerging adult, and so on. These will be the same sort of age groupings that we'll use throughout the semester when we look at different parts of the lifespan. And we will progress chronologically all the way through to the epilogue chapter of our textbook, which is on death and dying. So the lifelines gave us a good start, gave us an orientation to how the book will be divided up and how we'll look at what happens in human growth over the years of our lives. I will take a moment to say if you're interested in Chapter 2, that's on theories, and these theories will pop up as we go through the semester, and sometimes it's worthwhile to kind of take a look at Chapter 2 and know that these theories are a baseline developed by theorists over time. And we use these theories to talk about the different age groupings, what's going on during that age, what tasks might be there, what crises, etc. But they aren't the end all. The theories aren't the end all. They are something to start with and something to build on. Chapter 3 is on genetics, if you're interested in that. I haven't assigned it, but it again gives you another insight and perspective to human growth and development. But we are on Chapter 4, last week and this week, prenatal development. So I look forward to reading your posts on different teratogens. Have a good week.